In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check stats on Clickbank Marketplace. First, head to the Clickbank Marketplace and log into your account so you can see complete, up-to-date product listings. Once you're in, you can either browse by category, like health or money and business, or use the search bar to type in a keyword, such as weight loss or make money. Browsing helps you spot trends within a niche, while searching is great if you already know the type of offer you want to promote. As you scan the listings, pay attention to the key stats shown on each product card. The gravity score is the headline number and the most important one to understand. It reflects how many different affiliates have made recent sales for that product. A higher gravity generally means the offer is converting for multiple people, which is a good sign. As a quick guide, a gravity above 20 suggests a strong, proven product, 10 to 20 indicates moderate traction, and below 10 often means the offer is newer or untested. Use this as a signal, not a guarantee, and compare gravity within the same niche rather than across unrelated categories. Next, look at the average dollars per conversion, sometimes labeled EPC or average earnings. This tells you what affiliates are earning on average for each sale. Higher values point to better profit potential, especially if the funnel includes upsells or higher ticket items. It's a helpful way to judge whether a product might align with your traffic quality and promotional method. Check the initial dollars per sale to see what you can expect from the first transaction alone. This number does not include upsells, so treat it as your baseline payout. If that initial amount is modest, a strong funnel can still make the overall earnings attractive. Recurring commissions are a standout feature to look for. If the product pays monthly, you're building potential long-term income from one conversion. This is particularly appealing for memberships, software, or subscriptions. Category performance gives a sense of how active or competitive a niche is. A busy category can mean more opportunity, but also more competition. Balance proven demand with your ability to differentiate your promotion. When you click into a product, review the sales page to gauge clarity and professionalism, scan the funnel structure to understand upsells or trials, and explore any affiliate tools provided. Vendor stats and resources can signal how supportive and established the offer is. With these metrics in mind, you'll be able to quickly shortlist products that match your audience and goals on the Clickbank Marketplace.